So you want to get started with MongoDB, but you're hearing mixed messages about the database in online discussions. In this video, we're debunking 5 common myths about MongoDB to set the record straight. Let's dive in. Myth number 1, you can't use MongoDB with relational data. This is false. First, let's clear up one misconception. Almost all data is inherently relational. If data couldn't relate to each other, it would be completely pointless. So despite what some developers think, MongoDB can indeed store relational data. It does it in a slightly different way from traditional relational or SQL databases that is sometimes, believe it or not, more effective. In MongoDB, relationships can be created by referencing, just like in SQL, or embedding data. The golden rule for MongoDB is that items that belong together should be stored together so they are easily retrieved without needing to be joined across collections. This will result in an increase in performance when you read from your database. You get a performance gain as well as an improved developer experience because your objects can be retrieved from your database in one single operation, already shaped in a way that your application can use. It gets even better though. By using various data modeling patterns, you can make your schema even more efficient. Speaking of schema, myth number 2, MongoDB is schema-less. This is yet another myth. It's more accurate to say that MongoDB provides schema flexibility, not schema absence. Developers can choose their level of schema structure and validation, which eliminates the limitations found in both rigid relational databases and completely schema-less systems. Remember that when you opt for a schema-less system, you may run into data quality issues, errors, and technical debt. This is what can happen when there's a lack of data structure. With MongoDB's flexible schema, you can avoid this. Yet another benefit is that this increases developer productivity since you can adapt your schema as your application evolves. With MongoDB's schema flexibility, you can balance rapid development and robustness for evolving application needs. You can still make MongoDB as strict as you'd like with JSON schema validation. Even after development, you can lock in the schema so you maintain control of your database. The point is that the control is in your hands, giving you a database that's easy to work with and secure. Myth number 3, MongoDB doesn't scale well. Some developers worry that MongoDB won't be able to adequately scale with their data, but both horizontal and vertical scaling are supported. It's as easy as setting the right configuration. Vertical scaling means you configure a cluster tier, and within a tier, you can scale even further. Vertical scaling supports cluster auto-scaling, which is based on cluster usage. This is a very straightforward approach, but it has its limits since you can only scale a single tier so much. That's why vertical scaling is a great fit for smaller applications. Horizontal scaling, also known as scale out, comes through the deployment of a sharded cluster, which means that you scale by distributing data across multiple servers, which are called shards. Since with horizontal scaling, you can add as many shards as needed, you're essentially offered limitless growth. If you're using MongoDB Atlas, our database as a service platform, you'll have access to all sorts of tools and features that help you manage and optimize your scaling strategies. Myth number 4, MongoDB isn't secure. MongoDB offers built-in security controls for all of your data. These include authentication, authorization, auditing, data encryption, network security, and data sovereignty. Authenticate with your MongoDB Atlas credentials or single sign-on with your GitHub or Google accounts. Atlas also supports multi-factor authentication with various options, including OTP authenticators, push notification, SMS, and email. Authenticate to your MongoDB database using mechanisms such as SCRAM, certificates, LDAP, and passwordless authentication. MongoDB Atlas offers role-based access control to manage all of your cloud resources. You can grant each user one or more roles to specify their access privilege. With Identity Federation, you can manage access to MongoDB Atlas via your identity provider groups and Atlas roles using group role mappings. MongoDB's granular auditing monitors the actions in your environment so that it can prevent and detect any unauthorized access to your data. Our robust data encryption features protect your data while in transit at rest, and in use. Use automatic encryption of key data fields to keep your data encrypted throughout its entire life cycle. With Atlas, you have several options to access your data safely and securely. Dedicated clusters deployed in a unique private cloud isolate your data and prevent any inbound network access from the internet. Enable a one-way connection from your cloud via private endpoints, or enable peering between your MongoDB Atlas, VPC, or VNet to your own dedicated application tier virtual private network. You can store your data across any of Atlas's 125 plus regions across AWS, Google Cloud, and Azure. Use multi-cloud and multi-region deployments to target the providers and regions that make the most sense for your users. MongoDB enables enterprise-grade security features and simplifies deploying and managing your databases no matter how big you scale. Myth number 5, MongoDB isn't great for complex queries. Some developers think that MongoDB is only good for simple CRUD and not much more. But in reality, MongoDB supports very powerful query operators, aggregation pipelines, vector search, geospatial queries, and so much more. As we've discussed, the data model is flexible, allowing for more seamless adjustments to your data compared to traditional relational databases. It's great for scaling, in particular horizontal scaling, which it does through sharding, distributing your data across multiple servers. It provides high availability via replica sets, maintaining data copies, and offering automatic failover. And you get real-time analytics. MongoDB goes far beyond simple data management. With its flexible schema design, scalability while maintaining and even improving performance, and elite security, it's the top choice for catering to all of your modern application development needs. Ready to get started? Sign up for MongoDB Atlas for free and spin up your first cluster.